Hello lovelies, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. Are you wondering why my hair is looking so beautiful? So there's a reason behind it. I absolutely love Dyson and its attachments to achieve salon-like hairstyle at home. So now what is more exciting than the Dyson Airwrap? The next generation Dyson Airwrap multi-styler re-engineered for faster and easier styling without extreme heat. Isn't that amazing? It features new and re-engineered attachments powered by enhanced Coanda airflow attachments. So let me show it to you. I'm so excited to get styled with this new Dyson Airwrap multi-styler. It has both cool and heat temperature, so you can increase accordingly. I so wanted these airbags, and now you can create it too with the Dyson Airwrap multi-style. Also, I got an opportunity to learn some Korean hairstyles from a very famous Korean hairstylist, and trust me, I really enjoyed attending the session. So let's start with hair drying. I'm taking a small partition of my hair, and here's the button. So this one is the heat temperature and the other side is the cool temperature. So as you saw, I totally loved using Dyson Airwrap multi-styler and I'm so obsessed. And now I can do my hairstyles very easily and quickly on my own. For more information, you can check out my description box. I am totally obsessed with the product, and do let me know your queries in the comment section, and thank you for watching.